Card is an ultra-lightweight website builder designed for simplicity and speed. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive in. First off, Card specializes in creating single-page websites. If you need something quick and effective for a portfolio, personal landing page, or even a simple product showcase, Card excels. Its interface is beginner-friendly with a drag-and-drop editor that's intuitive and clutter-free. What stands out is its affordability. Card offers a free plan with the basic features, and their premium plan starts at just $9 per year. That's not per month, it's per year. It's hard to beat that pricing, especially if you are on a tight budget. But let's talk customization. Card has a variety of templates to get you started. And while you can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts, it doesn't provide the deep customization that more advanced platforms like Squarespace or Webflow offer. So if you need complex functionality, Card might not cut it for you. Now here is the trade-off. Card doesn't support multi-page websites. If you plan to grow your website or need advanced e-commerce features, this might be a limitation. However, it does support payment buttons with Stripe or PayPal for simple transactions, making it ideal for selling one or two products. The standout features: Card is fast, lightweight, and mobile optimized. Every site you build will look great on any device. Plus, their Pro plan unlocks custom domains, additional storage, and integrations like Forms and Google Analytics. To sum it up, Card is perfect for minimalists, freelancers, or anyone who needs a no-fuss single-page site. If you're looking for something simple, affordable, and effective, Card is hard to beat. But for advanced features or scalability, you might need to look elsewhere. Try it out and see if it's a fit for your needs.